the same. Actually, here, I printed one off for you. No, I got it right here. Here, it's in here. Go shoulder back here. Is that good enough?
I guess, yeah. Okay, perfect. So you're on sleeper today, right? Or
Got the quarter deck.
there's the second.
Hi, Uncle Leo.
Hey,
Nice to see you.
oh, you see my sweater.
Yeah. No, I see you're wearing a trim.
Okay.
No problem. And I'll bring you some canapes as well. Wonderful. And I'll do another round this Sandra. Yeah. Sandra Camino.
Thank you.
Do you have any idea why we're going back?
I actually didn't catch. It's been just so not noisy, but I haven't caught why we're going back on. I will.
Folks, I would like to welcome you aboard the legendary Canadian and congratulate you on choosing one of the finest rail journeys in the world. Have a fabulous meal. Bon appetit.
Happy birthday, dear Dave. Happy birthday to you.
We finally get to the place where we're supposed to go.
Hey, bye.
This on this $10 bill. This is a Via Rail train with the dome car, snaking, the decor we had just a couple minutes ago.
Okay, guys, this is Uncle Leo. This is the last phase of the trip, which was a great trip. Spent a lot of time with my two boys here. I couldn't appreciate them more. Thank you.
What's your highlight?
Highlight of the whole trip was the Badlands of South Dakota. Made a mistake. The best part of the trip was catching up with my niece who had seen for 45 years.
What's your highlight of the trip?
My highlight of the trip was getting to spend time with my grandfather and visiting the Badlands of South Dakota.
I think my highlight of the trip was to go see the Minnesota Twins game and also to catch up with Laura Lee. All right, until then, see you next time.